Now, let's look at how to save and access files in SketchUp. You can just click on File here, and then you can just click on Save As. You can give it a name from here, and then you can save it. Now, the next time that you are going to open SketchUp, you will be able to access your files from here. One last thing, most people get confused between these two options. So, the Save As option is for a new project, and the Save option is to save changes that you have made in your SketchUp model before closing the program.